Notion just silently released a new app and other really useful features. On top, some smaller updates and improvements. I will show you everything in this video. For those who don't know me, my name is Leon and I've spent over 5,000 hours in Notion. Now let's talk about the new app. For this, let me switch to my phone. The app is called Notion Agents. Just go in the App Store, then search for Notion Agents, download it, and then we can launch it. And in this app, you will find only your personal agents and all the custom agents. So everything from Notion in terms of chatting with your personal agent and your custom agents is in here. You can see we have my personal agent. If I click here, I can change the model. I could here on the top right start a new chat, and here in the side I can also switch my Notion account. I can see my personal agent. I can see all my other custom agents. And there are also all the chats I had with any agent. And this is basically the new app. It's very simple. It's only for the Notion agents, and everything is so much easier, accessible, so much faster, and it's just stripped down. I don't have the whole app. I just have my agents. If I, for example, wait for a chat, I can go in here, see, is it already ready, or is there any agent that needs something from me? So this is way faster. Now, to make this even faster accessible, like getting your phone out of the pocket and then immediately start chatting with your agent, for this, we need to create a shortcut. So this is basically the way I have set this up. So you go into the Apple Shortcuts app, then click on plus, and then here under search actions, just search for Notion agents, and then just click on the first action, open Notion AI. And once you did that, your shortcut is ready. It's really that simple, and we can see if it works. So now let's click on run on this play icon, and my Notion Agents app opens. And now what is so cool about this is, let's say you have a phone, an iPhone that has the action button. Now, technically you can also do it with, for example, double or triple tap on the back, but I found this to not work all the time. It's really hard to hit. I don't know where the exact spot is. With an action button or so, it's so much easier. So you can just press the action button on your phone and you will immediately launch a chat with your personal agent or switch it to another agent. So it won't get faster than this. So create your shortcut and rename it, restyle it however you want, but click this open Notion AI option. And then you can place it wherever you want. Click on the shortcut. If you place it, for example, on the screen as a widget, or put it on the action button or wherever, then just press the button and it will immediately launch. It won't get faster. Now let's talk about a quality of life update. Your agent now has control over your Notion calendar. You can say, for example, create an event in my Notion calendar, reschedule an event in my Notion calendar, show me my schedule for today, and so on. So let's put this to test. Let's just write, create an event called tester video. Let me put this into quotes for today, 1, and of course I mean 1 a.m. till 2 a.m. and then let's send this off. And now you can see my agent is finished. It created the event tester video for 1 a.m. till 2 a.m. Now let's take a look how this looks in the calendar. And here you can see my event tester video got created from 1 a.m. till 2 a.m. And now what I could also do, as I previously said, is I could now tell the agent to reschedule this event, for example, to another time, for example, today 3 p.m. till 4 p.m. Or I could tell the agent to list out what is on my plate for today and so on. Now, for the next chapter, I want to do a lightning round. So I want to cover all the small updates and improvements. Now, for this, let's open the settings. And the first one you can see under preferences, and this is high contrast. Now, basically said, you can see this is a gray line, then we have the gray outline here between the tabs and the normal page, gray lines. If you put this on high contrast, so your Notion into high contrast, they will show up thicker and brighter, so in white. So as it says, there is a higher contrast. For example, for people who can't see these lines or these borders so clearly, I think that's a great addition. Also, maybe for people who just prefer this more, this is now available. For the next thing, we need to open the Notion credits board. And here now, also your deployed workers will show up. Yes, they are free till October 15th, but they will still show up here. Same with the custom agents. We had this Notion credits board even before custom agents were paid. So now, same as with the custom agents, as we had it, you can see how much credits a worker would technically use. For the last thing, we need to go back here to our agent chat, and then we need to click on settings, and then we have this new MCP servers option. And here, as it says, you can add an MCP server. Speaking of MCP servers, if you want to know how to make your custom agents even more powerful by connecting it to MCP servers, like for example from Miro or from Stripe, then watch this video over here. Stay consistent. See you next time.